Hi, I'm Eric Schlein from Larchmont, New York. My question is directed at Mr. Buffett. Mr. Buffett, you claim you can do 50% a year. If you had to start over with a small portfolio, would you still be doing buy and hold, buying quality companies at a good price? Or would you be doing arbitrage and really getting down to the nitty-gritty Benjamin Graham cigar butts that you did in the Buffett partnership?
Yeah, if I were working with a very small sum, and you should all hope I'm not, if I were working with a very small sum, I would be doing almost entirely different things than I do. I mean, your universe expands. I mean, if you're looking, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of times as many of options to think about if you're investing $10,000 than if you're investing $100 billion. And obviously, if you have that many, you got all the options you got with $100 billion, except buying entire businesses, and you've got all of these other options. So you can earn very high returns with very small amounts of money, and it will always be such. I don't mean that everybody can do it, but if you know something about values and investments, you will find opportunities with small sums, and it will not be with the portfolio that Berkshire itself owns. We cannot earn phenomenal returns putting $3 billion, $4 billion, $5 billion in a stock. It won't work that way. It won't even come close to working that way. But if Charlie or I were in a position of working with $1 million or $500,000 or $2 million, we would find little things here and there, and it wouldn't always be stocks, where we would earn very high returns on capital. Charlie?
Yeah, but there's no point our thinking about that now.
But he's thinking about it, Charlie.